Hello, today is the 16th of December 2010, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I get these charts to the YouTube channel and the calculations that are done, just a brief look as well as what's been going on in today's action. This is the spreadsheet that I use, and on the spreadsheet I have the SLV data, which has the date, the open for the time frame. So when 3:45 and 1 second started, it was 28:32. What the highest point was, the lowest point, and the close with the volume. And well, these numbers here, they're really big, but they're really not that important. They're the data that is used to calculate where the volume weighted average price happens to be. And this calculation here is the trend line, and it increases 0.022% per 15-minute time frame. This is the number that I came up with back in September for the current trend line at that point, and I've just kept this line going as the rally has been kept on going also. So what I do is I take the data from freestockcharts.com. This is the 15-minute data, and I need today's action, so I'll bring up what we had happen today and put it in the spreadsheet, and then it can automatically get the calculations that are needed to for all of the different data, the silver price, the moving averages, and that sort of thing. So I've copied and pasted the VWAP stats, and I move into another sheet. And this sheet here converts the numbers into the COMEX price. It also calculates the 5, the 10, the 20, and the 50-day moving average. And therefore, I can see here that it goes to 2765, and thus copy and paste all of this down to those levels, and then paste. So it's calculated the new results, and what I have here is the price memory chart. And the date's got to change. I'll change that whenever I make a new image of it. And it uses formulas to determine what happened, if it's which level it hit, by using an if statement if it's within the 50-cent variable. So that's how that comes into play. And in another sheet, this is where we have the chart. This was the chart going into today. The numbers will still have to be copied and pasted over. There should be exactly enough amount of room to finish this chart for the day. I'm not exactly sure. I'll find out in a moment, actually. And what we'll do is we'll scroll down to the bottom of this, because what I'll do on this sheet is determine which days are going to be used. I'll eliminate a week at a time, I'm thinking. So apparently this should go towards here. I don't think I should have pasted just that. I should have also pasted this too, as if it makes any difference. And this should be 0 if I do this, and it is. Alright, so now what's going to happen, I'll go to the top of this page and take a look at the chart and see that it did take me to the very top, but I'm not too sure about that, so I'm just going to extend a few more days just to be sure. And yes, so I did that right. So this is what the chart is telling us. Not much happened today. It fell down towards this level at around 28.50. It went a little lower than I thought. I was expecting around 28.75. But regardless of the fact, it did manage to find a key bottom at this previous resistance point. And it slipped below 28.50, even below 28.40, and it came up to this 28.90 level, and that was a major intraday resistance call, in the sense that you take the bottom from down below here and the breakdown top from the overnight session. It worked out to 28.90, which is where it managed to find some resistance. And also it's still in this neutral range right now, that it's mainly correcting through time. There is no reason on this intermediate term to say anything but. We've had this rally, and now we'll see if this is like a bull flag sort of pattern, where it's nothing more than a time consolidation and then goes higher, or if the markets are going to roll over on an intermediate level. And on the short term, you have to give the benefit of the doubt currently towards the sellers. However, as long as this higher low could stay, and really even the low at 28.40, we'll say, if it stays above 28.40, then the longer it can do that, or as well, as long as it holds up well within the range of 28.40 and 28.90, then I would like the chances of it to be breaking out, and at least come and test the 29 and a third level, which is this peak in here, and that was the exact top on the November highs also. And to finish this off, to make these images, it's fairly simple actually. Just copy this image, and into Paint I can paste the image within the screen, and there it is. And use whatever trend lines that I need to, so that I can say, well, this top here had was in this range, it broke below it, and yeah, that sort of stuff there. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and have yourself a great day, everyone. Bye bye.